Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
Behind us is the Château de Giersberg.
And the Château de Giersberg is built perfectly along the lines of the rock's edge.
Let's go and check it out. Welcome to Castle Giersberg, nestled on a rocky peak above the picturesque town of Ribeauvillé. It can only be reached by following a strenuous path up the hill from the center of the town.
This region used to be dominated by the powerful Ribeaupierre family, who lived in the nearby castle, which you may have seen in the distance. As the family grew, it became impossible for all of them to live in the same castle, so they built a new castle. This new castle was Giersberg, and its construction dates to the 13th century. The original name was Stein, but that changed after the lords of Giersberg received the castle in fief from the Ribeaupierre.
As we stepped through the ancient entrance gate and entered the courtyard, we were in awe of the amazing vista unfolding before us. To our right, the remains of the stately home on top of the rocky peak rose above us. The building rises along with the cliffs until it's crowned by the donjon, a robust tower that served as the castle's last defense during turbulent times.
As we climbed higher up to the upper castle, we discussed the events that have transpired here over the centuries. The castle would remain in possession of the Giersberg family until the 15th century. In 1422, the castle was besieged by none other than their overlord, the Lord of Ribeaupierre. During the assault, Guillaume de Giersberg was killed. As he was without an heir, the castle returned to their overlord.
In the stately home there are still traces visible, which provide a glimpse of the opulent lifestyle the owners used to have. It was enlarged in the second half of the 15th century and would remain inhabited until the 17th century, after which it was abandoned and the entire site fell into ruin. The amazing panorama over the Alsace Valley is incredible. From here you also get the best views over the majestic castle of St. Ulrich next door, but that is a story for next week. That was the adventure of Château de Giersberg. Time for the arbitrary subjective castle score. I'm gonna say a 7, mostly because of the views and because of the adventurous part up top. What do you think?
I agree completely. Also a 7. The views are the main point here. There were some neat details like the writing on top of the window. So yeah, a 7.
Alright, leave your score in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.
And like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.